How to save a chat on Meta AI for character consistency. So first thing first, let's open the Meta AI app, and I assume that you have already downloaded the app on your mobile phone. So now once you open it, you will be able to see the interface on in the screen. So you can see there is three lines at the top left corner of this button. So just tap on that three lines button, and once you tap on it, you can see there is chat option in here. So just select the chat option, and afterward you simply need to enter the first prompt, whatever you want to set the name of your chat. So let's say AI, and once you enter the first words in here, then let me cancel it first, and let me tap on the three lines afterward, which is at the top left corner. So just tap on three lines button, and you can see in the history section the AI has been saved successfully. So this is how, and this will be the process to save a chat on Meta AI for character consistency. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.